Thespians. How has it been different than last year? Well, we have a new panel of judges.
We have a new panel of judges. I think what was different now is understanding the show a little better, which is that for me personally, I just took the view, I can't just judge everyone like I did the first time I saw them. It's pointless. It's basically, have you got better? Have you got worse? For the new contestants, can you compete with the best of the US? So for me, it was more interesting.
A lot of people online question whether or not singers should even be allowed on America's Got Talent because it's not a singing competition and there's already a lot of those. How do you respond to that?
Well, the minute you apply one rule to one category, then suddenly you change the whole spirit of the show, because the nature of the show was, do not have any rules.
Is there a rule against stealing people's golden buzzer?
Not anymore.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
You stole my dad's golden buzzer.
Yeah, sorry about that, but then he ended up giving V-Unbeatable a golden buzzer.